Think you're a Disney expert? Let's put your knowledge to the test. In this video, we'll show you 50 Epcot locations. Some you'll recognize instantly. Others might challenge even the biggest Disney fans. You'll have 5 seconds to guess the pavilion the photo was taken in before their name is revealed. Keep track of how many you get right, and let us know your score in the comments. Are you ready? Let's dive into the magic of Walt Disney World. That's the Japan Pavilion Koi Pond, the serene water garden filled with colorful koi and stone lanterns tucked beside the pagoda in World Showcase. That's Seabase Alpha in the Seas Pavilion, the multi-level ocean observation area where huge viewing windows look straight into the massive aquarium. That's Victoria Gardens in the Canada Pavilion, the manicured flower beds and winding paths inspired by classic Canadian botanical gardens. That's the Germany Pavilion Courtyard, the open plaza with Bavarian-style facades, a central statue, and shops and dining all around you. That's the lobby for Reflections of China, the entry hall with rich Chinese decor that leads into the Circle Vision Theater. That's the funnel cakes stand at the American Adventure Pavilion, the white kiosk along the promenade serving powdered sugar-covered fried treats. That's outside Twinings Tea in the UK Pavilion, the charming storefront with tea displays and traditional British shopfront details. That's the Campanile di San Marco Tower in the Italy Pavilion, the tall brick bell tower modeled after the one in Venice. That's outside the Mexico Pavilion Pyramid, the stone Mesoamerican-style temple facade at the pavilion's World Showcase entrance. That's the Journey into Imagination Queue, winding through bright, whimsical displays as you head toward Figment's latest imaginative adventure. 10 pavilions down already. How many have you recognized just from a single snapshot? That's the Koutoubia Minaret Tower in the Morocco Pavilion, the ornate prayer tower replica rising above the marketplace-style streets. That's the Forgetful Troll in the Norway Pavilion, the stone troll statue in the Fjording shop that's become a favorite hidden photo spot. That's the hot air balloons hanging in the Land Pavilion atrium, the colorful globe and balloon mobiles floating high above the food court. That's the Sortie-verse La Promenade exit in the France Pavilion, the stairway and walkway leading you back out toward World Showcase Lagoon. That's Trading Post Refreshments in the Canada Pavilion, the shop inside the totem pole building that sells Canadian-themed snacks and souvenirs. Bonus time! Do you recognize this closed pavilion? Leave your guess in the comments. That's the roof of the Rotunda in the American Adventure Pavilion, the elegant domed ceiling you see when you look up inside the main lobby. That's House of Good Fortune in the China Pavilion, the bustling merchandise shop lined with souvenirs, decor, and Chinese gifts. That's outside the entrance to the Land Pavilion, where the sloping glass structure and greenery mark the gateway into world nature. That's the Seas with Nemo and Friends, where the colorful props and characters draw you into the ocean-themed pavilion. That's the Morocco Gallery of Arts and History, the small museum space showcasing Moroccan culture, textiles, and artifacts. 20 pavilions in, still perfect. Or did a few of those shops and galleries trip you up? That's Mitsukoshi Department Store in the Japan Pavilion, the multi-room shop filled with Japanese snacks, toys, collectibles, and traditional goods. That's the Stave Church Gallery in the Norway Pavilion, the wood-fronted exhibit space inspired by traditional Norwegian stave churches. That's the path to the Remy area in the France Pavilion, the cobblestone walkway that leads toward the Ratatouille-themed corner at the back. That's La Bottega Italiana in the Italy Pavilion, the cozy boutique stocked with Italian wines, cookware, and regional food items. That's Imageworks in the Imagination Pavilion, the interactive play area where you experiment with sound, color, and light. Enjoying the challenge? Take a moment to like and subscribe so you never miss a new Disney quiz. That's outside Volkskunst Clocks and Crafts in the Germany Pavilion, the storefront showcasing carved clocks, ornaments, and German folk art. That's the Lords and Ladies shop in the UK Pavilion, the boutique that carries British-inspired apparel and accessories. That's the Mexican Folk Art Gallery inside the Mexico Pavilion, the exhibit space with traditional artwork and cultural displays. That's the path to Canada Far and Wide, the rock-lined walkway that winds past waterfalls and gardens toward the Circle Vision Theater. That's the Hall of Flags in the American Adventure Pavilion, the interior space where state and historical flags hang above the escalators. 30 pavilions down, you're deep into World Showcase territory now. How's that scorecard looking? That's Piazza San Marco in the Italy Pavilion, the open square framed by arcades, statues, and views toward the lagoon. That's the Garden Railway miniature train in the Germany Pavilion, the detailed model village and trains running along tiny tracks near the walkway. That's the end of Living with the Land in the Land Pavilion, where your boat glides past the final scenes before returning to the dock. That's the Samurai Swordsman statue outside the Bijutsu-kan Gallery in the Japan Pavilion, standing watch near the art exhibit entrance. That's the pyramid at the beginning of the Grand Fiesta Tour in the Mexico Pavilion, the nighttime marketplace scene with the temple in the distance. That's the gondolas docked on the World Showcase Lagoon side of the Italy Pavilion, moored along the water with views back toward the pavilion. That's the patio above Les Celliers Steakhouse in the Canada Pavilion, the elevated terrace area overlooking the gardens below. That's the gardens on Tudor Lane in the UK Pavilion, the quiet landscaped area tucked behind the row of British-style shops. That's outside Monsieur Paul in the France Pavilion, the upscale restaurant entrance on the upper level above the promenade. That's Tangier Traders in the Morocco Pavilion, the shop filled with Moroccan jewelry, clothing, and decorative goods. 40 pavilions identified. If you're still nailing these, you've walked World Showcase a lot. That's the hallway heading toward the exit doors of the Land Pavilion, where you pass the big windows and head back out to Epcot. That's the waterfall outside Frozen Ever After in the Norway Pavilion, cascading down the rockwork beside the ride's exterior. That's Fontana di Nettuno in the Italy Pavilion, the Neptune fountain set into the backdrop of classical architecture. That's the Regal Eagle Smokehouse barbecue pit at the American Adventure Pavilion, with its outdoor smoker and American barbecue theme. That's Terrace de Fleur in the France Pavilion, the raised outdoor seating and viewpoint that overlooks World Showcase Lagoon. That's the Crown and Crest shop in the UK Pavilion, the store known for crests, heraldry, and British-themed gifts. That's Village Traders at the Outpost, the rustic stand between pavilions selling drinks, snacks, and African-inspired souvenirs. That's Figment's upside-down house scene in Journey into Imagination, where furniture and rooms are flipped on their head above your ride vehicle. That's the walkway at the entrance to the indoor marketplace of the Mexico Pavilion, just inside the pyramid where the nighttime plaza begins. That's the maze hedges at the entrance to the France Pavilion, the trimmed green pathways you pass as you approach from the lagoon side. That's all 50 locations. Post your score and let's see how magical your WDW knowledge really is. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know how you did in the comments below. See you real soon for more Disney trivia.